I can say this without hesitation, while most of them reveal their flaws quickly. But HiFREAK EA took its time and earned my trust gradually. I've had HiFREAK EA running on my MT for long enough to see how it behaves during calm sessions, volatile swings, and those awkward sideways days, and instead of theatrics, it delivered discipline. So rather than a first impression, this is a seasoned review from someone who's already watched HiFREAK EA trade, manage risk, and quietly stack results without demanding constant supervision. Starting from the basics. The zip file for HiFREAK EA opens cleanly and without fuss. Right-click, extract, and you're greeted with the EX4 file, set file, and instructions exactly as expected. I placed the EX4 into the MT4 Experts folder, restarted the platform, attached HiFREAK EA to the chart, applied the set file, and all right, it activated immediately. No installation errors, no permission issues, just a smooth and practical setup that respects the trader's time. Now let's take a proper look at the MyFXBook performance, because this is where HiFREAK EA truly explains itself. On the tracked account, the system shows a total gain exceeding 447%, with the balance growing from a $2,000 deposit to over $10,900, all without withdrawals distorting the curve. The equity line remains well controlled despite active trading, even though drawdown reached higher levels during aggressive phases, which tells me the strategy is transparent rather than artificially smoothed. What impressed me most was the consistency across symbols. Pairs like GBPUSD, EURUSD, USDJPY, and others all contribute meaningfully, each maintaining win rates around the 78% to 82% range. Monthly returns average around 4% with no extreme spikes, indicating repeatable performance rather than lucky bursts. Trade frequency is high but purposeful, profit per pair remains positive, and expectancy stays healthy over thousands of trades. HiFREAK EA clearly uses structured entry logic, breakout awareness, and volatility filtering to avoid random exposure, and that's why the MyFXBook curve keeps grinding upward instead of swinging wildly. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part. Running HiFREAK EA and MT4 strategy tester with high-quality tick data produced clean, believable results. Starting with an initial deposit of $10,000, the backtest logic closed with a total net profit of $468.11, gross profit at $790.28 against a gross loss of $322.17. The profit factor came in at 2.45, expected payoff around $2.20 per trade, with 213 total trades executed. Maximal drawdown remained limited at approximately $52.45, keeping relative drawdown near 0.5%, which is impressively controlled for this style of trading. Win rate stayed balanced between long and short positions, reinforcing that HiFREAK EA operates with consistency rather than directional bias. So, after using HiFREAK EA personally and reviewing it across installation, MyFXBook performance, and MT4 backtesting, I'd describe it as a system built for traders who value structure, patience, and measured growth over hype. This specific HiFREAK EA is available on our website, and if you want deeper details, setup guidance, and ongoing performance discussions, everything is listed in the description. To stay updated and exchange insights with other users, just join our Telegram group, where HiFREAK EA performance and updates are shared regularly. Alright, that's my long-term review. Tested, observed, and delivered straight.